Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Snow Joe SJBLZD LED 4 inches 1 telescoping snow broom ice scraper, 18-inch foam head, headlights, blue. Introducing the Snow Joe SJBLZD LED 4-in-1 telescoping snow broom plus ice scraper, the ultimate winter companion for effortless snow removal and ice scraping. This innovative tool combines 4 essential functions into one compact and efficient design, making clearing snow and ice from your vehicle a breeze. Featuring an 18-inch foam head, the Snow Joe SJBLZD LED ensures thorough and gentle removal of snow without damaging your vehicle's surface. The foam material is both durable and gentle, allowing for effective snow removal without leaving scratches behind. Equipped with integrated headlights, this snow broom provides enhanced visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring safe and efficient snow removal even during early mornings or late evenings. The headlights illuminate your path, making it easier to navigate through snowy conditions. The telescoping handle extends to provide additional reach, allowing you to easily access hard-to-reach areas of your vehicle, such as the roof or windshield. With its adjustable length, this snow broom accommodates users of all heights, providing comfortable and ergonomic handling. In addition to its snow removal capabilities, the Snow Joe SJBLZD LED features a built-in ice scraper, allowing you to quickly and effectively remove ice buildup from your windshield and windows. The sturdy scraper blade effortlessly cuts through thick ice, saving you time and effort during chilly mornings. Designed with convenience in mind, this 4-in-1 snow broom plus ice scraper boasts a lightweight and compact construction, making it easy to store in your vehicle's trunk or back seat when not in use. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable companion for many winters to come. Choose the Snow Joe SJBLZD LED 4-in-1 telescoping snow broom plus ice scraper for efficient, hassle-free snow removal and ice scraping, allowing you to tackle winter weather with ease and confidence. That was today's videos. If you like the video, don't miss like, comment, and share. And if you want to get more product-related videos like this every day, then stay with us by subscribing the channel. Thanks for watching the video.